Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of verifying your Bitstamp account. Completing verification helps secure your account and enables higher withdrawal and trading limits. First, log into your Bitstamp account using your email and password. Once inside, navigate to the Verification section from your account dashboard. You'll see a few verification levels. Start by submitting your personal information, including your full name, date of birth, and residential address. Make sure all details match your official documents. Next, you'll need to provide a valid government-issued ID. This could be a passport, national ID card, or driver's license. Take a clear picture of the front and back of your ID using your phone or webcam. Make sure all text is readable and the document is not cut off. After submitting your ID, Bitstamp will ask for a selfie. This is to confirm that you are the same person as shown on the ID. Take a clear, well-lit selfie holding your ID next to your face, making sure your face and the ID are fully visible. Once you upload both your ID pictures and selfie, Bitstamp will review your submission. This verification process may take a few hours to a couple of days. You'll receive a notification once your account is fully verified. And that's it. Following these steps ensures your Bitstamp account is secure and fully verified, giving you access to all features and higher limits. Thanks for watching and trade safely.